What if I told you that you can build a financial YouTube automation channel like John AG without showing your face, without hiring a team, and without spending months figuring things out? Now look at this channel. In just 124 videos, it has grown to nearly 60,000 subscribers, and every upload consistently pulls in thousands of views. Take a closer look at how these videos are actually made.
Caught episode 2 of the Economic Ninja expose that dropped.
A simple talking avatar on one side and clean image-based slides on the other. No fancy studio, no complicated editing, just clear information presented the right way. And here's the most interesting part. Videos like this can be created in under 1 hour using the right AI workflow. In this video, I'm going to break down the exact step-by-step system to build a financial YouTube automation channel like John AG, using AI tools in a smart and YouTube-safe way. You'll learn how to generate topics, write long-form scripts, make them policy-compliant, and turn them into professional videos, even if you're starting from zero. So watch till the end, because in the finance niche, missing even one step can cost your entire channel. Alright, so first of all, we need a video topic or idea. For this, I've already created some master prompts that will help you generate video ideas and full scripts very easily. The first prompt is used to find a topic or video idea. Just copy this prompt and go to Gemini. Paste it there, select Gemini Pro, and hit Enter. What Gemini will do is analyze the latest news and articles published within the last 5 to 12 hours, and based on that, it will give you 2 to 3 video ideas. Now, once you have those ideas, copy the second prompt and paste it into Gemini. If you want, you can customize this prompt according to your needs, but make sure you replace my channel name with your actual channel name, which is the LearnUp. Next, from the 3 video ideas Gemini provided, select one idea you like and paste it into the required place inside the prompt. Once everything is done, just send it. Now Gemini will start writing a full script of around 2,000 to 3,000 words based on this prompt. I've already mentioned in the prompt to write the script in 3 to 4 parts, so there won't be any token limit issues. When Gemini finishes writing part 1, copy it and save it in Notepad or Google Docs. Then, for the next part, simply type Next and send it. Gemini will start writing part 2. Do the same thing again. When Gemini finishes writing, copy it and save it in Notepad or Google Docs. Type Next and continue until the entire script is completed. Now, the script is ready. But here's the important part. This script is not yet suitable for publishing directly on YouTube, especially if your content is related to financial topics. If you want to succeed on YouTube in the finance category, you must strictly follow YouTube's policies. The 2026 YouTube policy has become extremely strict. Even a small mistake in your script can lead to your channel being deleted without any warning. And this happens most often with financial content. That's why, to make the script safe and perfect, I've created prompt number 3 and prompt number 4. These prompts will help you remove any YouTube policy violations from your script. Copy prompt number 3 and paste it into ChatGPT. Now copy your entire script and paste it below that prompt. ChatGPT will analyze the script and give you a clear summary. Where the script needs changes, whether there's any YouTube policy issue, and if it's safe to publish or not. If everything looks fine, you can move ahead and create the video. But if ChatGPT finds issues, don't worry. Just follow the next step. Copy prompt number 4 and paste it into ChatGPT, then send it. ChatGPT will now analyze the entire script, make the required changes, and rewrite the full script so that it becomes completely YouTube policy safe. If there's no token limit issue, it will write the full script in one go. If the script is long, it will write it in 3 to 4 parts. Once the script is completed, make sure you save it properly in Notepad or Google Docs. Alright, now our script is fully ready. Let's move on to the second and final step. How to create the video. To create the video, you need to install CapCut. If you want, you can also use CapCut online. After opening CapCut, click on Avatar Video. Now choose a talking avatar of your choice and click on Enter Script. Copy your script from Google Docs and paste it here. Just remember, if your script is long, use it in 2 to 3 parts. because CapCut allows you to create a maximum of 10 minutes of video at one time. If your video is longer than 10 minutes, create multiple videos and merge them later during editing. Once you paste the script, click on the Create button and wait for a bit. It usually takes around 1 to 2 minutes. In the first step, CapCut will generate the avatar and voice. Now in the second step, select your aspect ratio. Then click on Scenes from the side menu and open the Media tab. Go to Generate AI Media, choose a visual style, and finally click on Apply to all scenes. Wait for a moment until it's completed. Once done, adjust the position of the avatar. Then click on Elements and select a subtitle style you like. If everything looks good, click on the Export button. Enter a file name, select the video resolution, and click Export again to render the video. Now just wait a few minutes. Rendering and downloading can take some time. If you've created more than one video clip, make sure to merge them properly during editing. And for extra safety, always add a disclaimer at the beginning of your video.
Imagine waking up one morning and discovering that one of the world's biggest tech companies is preparing to spend tens, possibly hundreds, of billions of dollars on artificial intelligence infrastructure, faster than most countries build highways, power plants, or even entire industries.
And that's exactly how you can build a financial YouTube automation channel, like John AG, step by step, using AI tools the right way. Since this is a finance niche, always remember to add a proper disclaimer at the beginning of your video and in the description as well. More importantly, make sure your content is genuinely educational. Never share incorrect or misleading information, and always verify your facts before publishing. If this video helped you, hit the like button to support the channel. Subscribe to the Learn Up for more AI, automation, and YouTube growth strategies. And comment below if you want the exact prompts or a full case study in the next video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.